Good morning, student. Today we start a new chapter, chapter number 6. And the name of chapter is Central Government, and this chapter scored 7 marks in board examination. Only one essay type question are come in this through this chapter, or there are option in both the questions. In this chapter, you can get the knowledge of following points for the formation and power and function of Lok Sabha, formation and power and function of Rajya Sabha, power and function of Parliament and President, powers and function of Prime Minister, formation of Council of Ministers, steps of formation of Council of Ministers. You can also get the knowledge of formation and jurisdiction of Supreme Court, and you also get the knowledge of Vice President and its power and function of Cabinet. Again, we discuss the major topic of this chapter. In this chapter, you will get the knowledge of formation and power and function of Lok Sabha, formation and power and function of Rajya Sabha, power and function of Parliament and power and function of President, Vice President, power and function of Prime Minister, formation and steps of formation of Council of Ministers, formation and power and function of Supreme Court, and power and function of Cabinet.
Begin.
Student, you know the name of chapter is Central Government. What is government? You know about the state government, central government, and local self-government. What is government? Government is an organization which administrates a country or a state with the help of certain rules and regulations. Again, we discuss the major point of what is government. Government is an organization which administrates a country or a state with the help according to certain rules and regulations. According to Gardner, Gardner is a great politician. According to Gardner, government is an agency and machinery which form states' policies and regularize public issue and develop public welfare. According to Gardner, government is an agency and machine which regularize public issues, develop public welfare, and form state policy. You already read about this lower class. There are 3 organs of government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Legislature, the main work of legislature is the formation of law. The main work of executive is the implementation of law, and the main work of judiciary is the look after the law and control over the law. So there are 3 organs of government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. In Hindi, Vyavasthapika, Karyapalika, and Nyayapalika. In India, there are 2 levels of legislature: union legislature and state legislature. In India, union legislature is called Parliament, and there are 3 organs of Parliament: Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and President are the part of Parliament. Parliament is a combination of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and President. Now the second level of legislature is state legislature. There are 2 parts of state legislature: state legislative assembly and state legislative council. Legislative assembly is the lower house of state legislature, and legislative council is the upper house of state legislature. In India, there are only 7 states where legislative council are held. For example, legislative council are in Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, and Bihar. Again, we discuss the main organ of government. There are 3 organs of government: legislature, executive, and judiciary. Legislature responsible for the formation of law, executive responsible for the implementation of law, and judiciary is responsible for the look after of the law. 2 levels of legislature found in India: union legislature and state legislature. Union legislature is called Parliament. Indian Parliament is a combination of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, and President. And state legislature divided into 2 parts: legislative assembly and legislative council. Legislative assembly is the lower house of state legislature, and legislative council is the upper house of state legislature. In India, only 7 states have legislative council.